Another contestant from Maung is Tshegofatso to give you Tina Turner's If Only.
When I was a little girl, I had a rag doll, only doll I'd ever owned. Now I love you just the way I love that rag doll, only now my love is grown. It gets stronger in every way. It gets higher day by day. Do I love you, my oh my? River deep, mountain high, yeah, yeah, yeah. If I lost you, would I cry? Baby, like Shanti loves to sing. I love you, baby, like the schoolboy loves his pet. And I love you, baby, river deep, mountain high. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. I love you. Oh my, oh how I love you, baby, 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 baby.
I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm now awake, I must say. Keep the good work, girls.
Beautiful. That was brilliant. Very, very nice. Listen to the music all the time, okay? Listen to the music all the time. Even when you move, make sure that your ear is open on the monitor so that you don't miss not one single bit. Don't do that, okay? But brilliant, beautiful. I like it. I like you. I love you.
Just the right amount of action, beautiful singing. Besides, you can't let a 70-something-year-old woman beat you at this song now. Come on.
Tshegofatso is MyStar06. Botswana, vote for her by SMS and the keyword MyStar06 to 14767. Thank you very much.